In this enhancement, we add 12 text option in transaction form wise option like set amount 1 from inward batch text amount, and by default form option is none for all texts. Now I will show you how this functionality works. First of all, we are select any item in inward form, then enter quantity and rate. Now if item is batch wise, we are split in batch detail and see the text amount in batch, which is item level text amount. If you want carry forward text amount to of inward text in outward form, then open option button, open transaction form wise option and set this option. Now enter company, branch, division, category, party, quantity, rate and select batch, and then that text amount carry forward in outward form.